Well, we're not into the really sweltering summer heat for a while. We won't be seeing the record highs come back. And this is statistically about the hottest time of the summer here as we get toward the first and second week of August. But the chances of rain and some clouds helping to keep temperatures down a little bit more than you would typically see most August days. So 20% chance for rain returns Tuesday and Wednesday. Still, that means 4 out of 5 areas don't see any rain if everything works out as expected. Highs back in the 90s, probably staying below 100 nearly everywhere, except for maybe Starr County. If there's enough sun, could reach the low 100s, about 102, 103 the next couple of days in a few spots. But those small chances of rain may kind of continue. They may kind of drop some later in the week, but then come back up toward Sunday and Monday coming up. So your day planner tomorrow, kind of like today, upper 70s in the morning. The clouds will start to build up. We may have a few showers around or a weak thunderstorm. Hopefully a little more than today. There wasn't a lot going on today besides kind of some scattered showers in Williston County. There wasn't much rain anywhere else. But again, 20% or so chance for rain tomorrow, mostly in the afternoon hours. And then by tomorrow evening, the sun goes down and it stays mostly dry and partly cloudy at night. Across Texas, things fairly quiet. The sea breeze active up and down the Texas coast. If you watch it right there, a lot of moisture moves inland. Some showers blow up and everything dies off for the most part in the evening. Some storms in the mountains of Mexico and New Mexico. And that is about it on the map. Future track here, this is using a NAM computer model. It shows things pretty quiet tonight. Notice again during the day tomorrow, there's 10 a.m. behind my head, but the showers start to form during the morning and afternoon and across parts of South Texas and the valley and up and down the Texas coast, but not really widespread anywhere. And then tomorrow night things quiet down. On the Pacific side, we have a hurricane over there, but that's staying away from Mexico, passing west of Cabo and then going out to sea. But again, on Wednesday, enough moisture here in the afternoon that there could be a couple more showers, 20% or so chance for rain. This cold front you see in North Texas is getting stuck, so that's not coming our way. But if you are traveling north of Dallas, you may run into some storms up there throughout the course of the week. And then by Thursday, things quiet down a bit more. It looks like maybe rain chances go down to about 10% or less. Here's a close look on future track, and it shows again tomorrow we start off dry in the morning and then the sea breeze forms and comes inland, but not a lot of rain to go around. Spotty showers possible on Saturday, mostly from about 11 a.m. through about 5 or 6 p.m. and then they fade away, you see, after 6 p.m. or so in the upper valley, and about the same thing true for the day on Wednesday. Now, if you want to go to the coast, it's probably not going to rain at the island. Most of the time, sea breeze showers are inland, but maybe a few more clouds in the skies the next day or two up and down the valley anywhere. But 89 about tomorrow afternoon, see, is what the forecast shows for the island. Southeasterly breezes. Water temperatures have dipped into the upper 70s in the surf at South Padre Island. A high tide early in the morning, a low tide near sunset just before, well, a couple hours before at 6:16. Now in the tropics, things are fairly quiet in the Atlantic. Still no storms organizing there. I want to show you, well, actually go back there, show you in the Pacific. 2 storms, one tropical storm Ileana just off the coast of Mexico, spreading some heavy rain right along the coast. This one should weaken in a couple days, but then Hurricane John is out there, and that's the one you saw on the map that will be missing Mexico as well. So the first 7-day forecast, highs in the mid to upper 90s most days. The chances for rain at about 20% Tuesday and Wednesday. They drop off some and then come back up next week. We'll talk about that at 10:30.